Angelica burnt my hair.
Oh my god, you have to brush it. It's coming out.
What happened?
I heard it.
I smell it.
She pushed me in the fire.
Push her in the fire.
Oh my god.
She put a pancake in your face.
You have to brush it and
Put
get
a
it out.
pancake in your face.
Look at that.
It's only a little bit. It's not that bad.
Oh, it stinks.
I'm gonna like puke.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's out.
What do you mean it's out? I'm gonna.
Her hair's all out.
Pulling pieces out.
Ew, it's a smell.
No,
Oh my God.
Billy, you're pulling out her hair.
Oh my god.
It's falling out. He just touched it a little. And look at how much comes out. It's dead hairs.
It's all up on my scalp.
Bold.
Her hair,
I pushed it to the fire.
and she burnt her hair.
My hair is gone.
Oh my god.
Angelica.
I didn't push her into the fire.
Yes, you did.
You
You
kind of
shoved a
did.
pancake in my face and pushed me.
I didn't push you. I shoved the pancake in your face and you moved.
I didn't move.